2023 question 3B beta. So you are given this production function and it is asking determine the degree of homogeneity and under what condition it will be increasing, decreasing and constant returns to scale. So what you will go ahead and do, beta, this is a function of labor and capital. So everywhere instead of labor you will put lambda L, instead of K you will put lambda K. So this will give you A alpha lambda L to the power rho plus 1 minus alpha lambda K to the power rho V by rho. So this will give you A alpha lambda to the power rho L to the power rho plus 1 minus alpha lambda to the power rho K to the power rho whole to the power V by rho. Now what you can do, you can take lambda to the power rho common, alpha L to the power rho, 1 minus alpha K to the power rho whole to the power V by rho into A. So you can just go ahead and take, this entire thing has power V by rho. So this will be A lambda to the power rho into V by rho into this entire thing to the power V by rho. So rho and rho will get cancelled beta. So this will be lambda to the power V into A into alpha L to the power rho plus 1 minus alpha K to the power rho whole to the power V by rho. This is your initial production function. It's a function of labor and capital. And this gives you lambda to the power V. So we can say it is homogeneous of degree V. Now, if this V is greater than 1, it is increasing returns to scale. If it is equal to 1, it is constant returns to scale. And if it is less than 1, it is decreasing returns to scale. So this is how you can just go ahead and do this question. Right, beta? Okay, beta. Thank you.